Hello guys, welcome back to my channel CM Vlogs. This is Chiranjeevi and I hope you guys are smiling. If yes, then keep smiling. If not, then start smiling. Well, I don't have any rides planned up in next couple of weeks, so I thought I'll make a vlog while me traveling to work and talking to you guys and show you guys the streets of Mumbai during monsoon. What happens, how are the road conditions, what are the traffic situations and etc. The video is going to be interesting, so watch the videos till the end. So right now the time is 8:30 in the morning and I'm leaving, so I'll see you guys in a second.
So that's the baby, guys. So I'll just wear my rain jacket, gloves. So without wasting any more time, I don't want to get late to work. Let's start.
Alright guys, so I am on the bike now. I'm heading to work on my Continental GT650, as you can see. I use my GT for my daily commute, like going to work and etc. I don't use my Z900 for daily commute because वो mileage नहीं देती उतनी and it's not pocket friendly. Another thing is, when I park it in my office or something, मेरा आधे से ज़्यादा ध्यान तो उधर ही रहेगा because it's a big bike and it catches a lot of eyeballs and people just tend to go and sit on it and I'm just too protective towards it and फिर मेरा ध्यान नहीं रहेगा काम में एंड मैं बार बार नीचे आके बाइक चेक करते रहूँगा, देखते रहूँगा. तो उससे अच्छा मेरे को लगता है कि आई जस्ट यूज़ दिस बिकॉज whenever I go on my Z900 anywhere, I just make sure that I know the parking place is proper and then only I go ahead and I take it. So dangerous. क्या हालत कर दी है रोड की. अब ये गाड़ी को भी इधर से ही जाना है. क्या मैं गड्ढे में से जाऊँ मतलब. आई यूजुअली गो फ्रॉम दी अदर साइड ऑफ द रोड, तो इसलिए मैंने ये पॉटहोल्स इतने मुझे ध्यान में नहीं थे कि है कि नहीं थे या अभी नए आए हैं, क्या पता नहीं. ओहो, ये वैगनर को भी अब भी याद आया कि इसको लेफ़्ट लेना था. मैं राइट से जाता हूँ. वो भी क्या करेगा, ये आगे भी रुक गया था. Anyway, so finally I am on this expressway. I just have to cross that Dahisar toll naka and after that I'll be on Mumbai Western Express Highway. पानी तो हर जगह भरा हुआ होगा ही, बारिश जो हुई थी हक है लोग का. Anyway, so what I was saying is the Continental GT is no less. It's an amazing motorcycle. It's very smooth, refined. There are some people who gave me a feedback about they did not like the committed posture and they were finding it very difficult to ride this motorcycle. But as per me, I think it's just a matter of time. Give it some time and your body will adapt this posture. Even for me, it was a little difficult in the initial days, like for 4-5 days. And after that, right now I don't feel any problem riding this motorcycle in any conditions. So that's not it. That I think we should not give up on something if it is uncomfortable, like for some time. Give it some time, maybe you'll enjoy it after that. But that's my personal opinion. So I'm on the Western Express Highway near Goregaon. This is the metro bridge. मेट्रो काफ़ी हद तक बन चुकी है, कुछ एरिया से तो स्टार्ट भी हो चुकी है. आई होप कि ये ईयर एंड तक पूरी स्टार्ट हो जाए. बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक, उसकी वजह से ट्रैफिक कम होने का चांसेस है? ये जो दिख रहा है आपके सामने, लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. मेरे हिसाब से ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि गाड़ियाँ तो उतनी ही हैं, गाड़ियाँ तो बढ़ती ही रहेगी और अभी ट्रैफिक भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है, तो तुम लोग बोर हो जाओगे यार. तो मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं 2 मिनट में तुमको मिलता हूँ, वीडियो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड करके तुम लोग ये देख लो.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dream.
Okay, so finally that was a long rough patch. My motorcycle was heated up like crazy. I'm sweating to the core. हर जगह से पसीना टपक रहा है. But क्या कर सकते हैं, this is how the Mumbai traffic is. If you want to go somewhere, make sure that you start your journey before time. Keep lot of time in your hand. So well, that's how it is. To complete an 18 to 20 kilometers of journey, it takes more than an hour. So I'm almost reaching my workplace. I hope I don't get traffic, but looks like that's not the case. So I'll meet you guys after an eternity.
Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility convincingly.
Finally, I have reached. Now I'll go ahead and I'll start my work after parking my bike. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. I'll meet you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves, wear your helmets, ride safely and responsibly.